Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Jennifer. If this is the first time that you are watching, please subscribe, like, comment, and share. For you returning subscribers, hopefully, welcome back. So we are going to be taking a look at our Ancestry DNA kit. Previously, I've done a video on CRI genetics, which actually gave a little bit more information than what I was looking for. So it goes back like way more generations than I was looking for. So this is the activation kit, and we're gonna go ahead and get it open, and we'll do our swab or whatever it is that they have in this kit for us to do, and we'll be back. So with no further ado. Okay guys, so it's fairly simple. This is the collection tube, and what we're gonna do is we're going to spit saliva up to this wavy line here, right? And literally it's only that much space in there. All this is something else. I guess that's where the mix from this solution is going to go. So once you put your saliva in here, you spit it in there to that blue wavy line. We're going to take this cap off, which is the funnel. We're going to take this top. We're going to twist it on the tube, shake it up. This blue solution will pierce into the tube, and it will mix. Right? Then we'll take this tube here and put it in the collection bag as such, and put it in the first class return box that we have here, and then we will wait for results from Ancestry. So we'll see how this goes. I have had questions, a couple of questions before about the CRI genetics. I think this will be more related to what I'm interested in obtaining from this process. So I will be back. I've opted not to spit in this tube on YouTube, so I'll be back, guys. Now, I do want to note a few things, just FYI. It does recommend that you not eat, drink, or smoke, chew gum for at least 30 minutes before you give your saliva sample. And it also comes with an activation code that is on the tube. And then you actually update that information online on the computer or on your mobile phone by downloading the app, of course. And what is? Oh, it just says to keep the card, which is this informational card, until the results arrive. And it does not say how long it will take. Oh, and there's also the activation code is also on this paper here, as well as the tube. That's cool. But yeah, guys, I'll be back. Okay. So we have completed the step with the saliva. Now they want the saliva only to the little squiggly line. Any bubbles is fine, but they don't want any more saliva collected than what needs to be at that line. So we completed that part. We'll take this off the funnel. We're gonna twist this on, this cap on, and then there's a seal that breaks. You can hear it. You can actually see the liquid solution mix in. Then it says to shake for 5 seconds, right? And this is how the lab is able to get the best results. And we put it in the collection tube and seal the bag. And we're gonna take the activation bag and to mail it. Not forget to activate. So yeah, we're gonna activate our kit online, which we already have put in our numbers from off of the seal. It is now sealed. I made sure the numbers on the tube also match the numbers on the packet here. Put this in here, and I did, when I went to the website and logged in, I did see that they said it'll take 6 to 8 weeks for the results. Why does not fit in here? Why is this not fitting? So we will wait for the results, and there we go. No postage necessary. This kit was purchased on sale. It's regularly $99. I think I paid with shipping and handling, whatever, maybe $68. And we're gonna send this off to them and wait for the results. And I'll let you know what I find. Hopefully it's a little bit more information than what I obtained from CRI Genetics. It wasn't a bad kit at all. It just was a lot of information to grasp. And it didn't have the pertinent information that I was looking for. So, until next time, guys, hopefully, if this is something that you were considering doing, go ahead and do it. I mean, just a little bit of time, you'll maybe learn some things about your family history, medical history. I mean, there's a number of benefits that you can get from finding out really who you are. So, until next time, guys, like, subscribe, share. So, guys, stay tuned for the follow-up video for the Ancestry DNA kits. Approximately 6 to 8 weeks for updates. If anything comes through before then, I may go ahead and leave either some updates on the video or otherwise, just hold tight.